Yeah, Lauren, Councilmember Melissa Robinson says this is all because of what went into effect last week with the overturn of Roe v. Wade and then the trigger law that went into effect in the state of Missouri, which essentially banned all abortions.
We don't know what that's going to look like. That's why we have a healthcare trust, so that they can do their due diligence. They can determine what's lawful, what's legal, what's ethical.
Robinson says the resolution the council passed Thursday needs to come back to the city council before the plan's fully approved.
So talk about a lawsuit because of a resolution is not codified in code. It's not an ordinance. This is simply us looking at what options are possible and available, given the turn of events, the unfortunate turn of events in healthcare today.
The Missouri statute says it's unlawful for any public funds to be expended for the purpose of performing or assisting in abortion. That's one of the concerns Councilmember Dan Fowler brought up on Thursday. It's part of the reason he voted against it.
I want to know more about, is something like this lawful? What are potential sources of funds? Because we don't want to have the city taxpayers pay for some of it.
In a statement on Friday, Schmidt said, quote, using hard-earned taxpayer dollars, whether it be ARPA funds or other forms of revenue to fund abortions, is plainly illegal under Missouri law. Is this taxpayer funded?
Right now, there isn't any identification as to how this plan will be, or changes to the plan will be funded, so that's not something that I can answer at this point.
Robin says the other city council members as well are hoping the city's insurance provider will pay for these costs, and the travel expenses. There is no word right now on when that is going to be figured out because the city council has to go to the health insurance trust and then the full city council will have to approve this once again. Lauren?